Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today we will try to resize one image using our Inkscape. So I am opening here the Inkscape software. So this is the page where we will do all our editing. So I am opening here one file. The file I have taken is this PNG file, and open and then click on OK. And see here that this is the image file that I have imported here. And now what we will do, we can click on this image which we have imported. Then we can see that this kind of some arrows are coming. So by this, if you will try to increase it or decrease it, you can do it like this. But here one thing we should notice, that if I am increasing like this, decreasing, you see that the hexagonal shape is different than the as it was before. If we will do like this every time, we can't in our free hand we can do it equally in along all the direction or along x and y direction. So for this, what we will do, let me do. Before this, we can come to our original. So I am pressing simply Ctrl Z, and this was our original image. So for this, to retain the same size of that image, first we will click on this image, and then here you see there is an option of having a lock. So if I will lock this, that means this image shape is now locked. Then after that, what we will do, this is now in px format. You can take it to centimeter or millimeter according to your provision. Then next is, so click here. Then we can go to, here is the width option. So if I am in centimeter, if I am making this width to 100, so let's see what will happen. So 100, then press enter. Now see, the same image is now having width 100, and this height is automatically arranged. Like if I will make it 150, then you see this value on this edge side, it will automatically change. Now see, it is now 77. That means if we will log this image, and this width and height ratio will be automatically set, so that our image will look as it is, as we have imported. So this way we can do, and this way you will not face any such kind of problem of having reshaping or anything. So this can help you in maintaining the shape and size of the figure that you have imported. So this much for this tutorial, and this is just about to resize your image, and that this much. Thank you all.